Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the topic of Goodbudget and whether it syncs across devices. Goodbudget is a popular budgeting app based on the envelope system, and a key feature is its ability to sync across multiple devices. This is especially useful for households or couples who want to manage their budget together. To sync your budget, you need to use the same household username and password to log in on each device. This can be your smartphone, tablet, or a computer using the Goodbudget website. Any changes you make, whether adding a transaction or adjusting an envelope balance, will automatically sync across all linked devices. The number of devices you can sync depends on your plan. The free version allows you to sync with up to 2 mobile devices. If you need to share your budget with more people or use it on more of your own devices, the premium version allows for up to 5 mobile devices. This syncing feature ensures everyone in the household is on the same page and has real-time access to the budget. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.